Hello everyone, this is Zay and Nay, and welcome to our channel. You see Zay throwing the orange peel, grapefruit peel. But we're out here on the land, and we are getting it brush hogged today. We're trying to think exactly where. I know, probably over here. We'd probably get it brush hogged over here. And then also maybe over here too, this part. But I feel like that's it.
I was gonna cut down all the areas that they already grazed.
Oh, okay.
Like the blackberry and stuff like that.
Yeah. That's
Over
gonna be
here,
nice.
I want to grow some wheat over here
Yeah.
so we can mow it down and then till it up.
We're just trying to figure out where we want to get it brush hogged and I don't know, go from there. It's gonna be weird. I'm curious to see how it's gonna look too. It's gonna be weird to see it all cut low. I'm just so used to it being wild. Crazy. Blue over there. It is hot today. I'm hoping that this is the last hot week. But I don't know. We'll see. It's nice being out here. They also might cut a tree down today, but I don't know. Yeah, Blue, I don't know what he got into, but he of course tore something up. Oh yeah, I think there's like a pillow out here.
I was cutting the trees with the pillow
Oh,
under
yeah, he got a hold of it and tore it up, so we're gonna have to clean that up. And just like random trash. There's just random trash everywhere. We start like cutting the trees and stuff, and then you see trash underneath it. Which tree are you talking about cutting down? That one?
the big one.
Yeah, the one that's kind of like leaning or like bent.
Biggest one right there.
Oh, dang, that one. Okay. Yeah.
If I cut it, I might have to cut that tree. Move that branch down.
But why do you want to cut that one?
I think it's dying. I think we use it for firewood.
It has leaves still on it, at least the top part.
Like I don't want to build a fence.
But yeah, true. It does look kind of like it has a disease.
Right where the fence is gonna be. I can't tell.
I can't tell what that is. Yeah, that would be a
But if you
nice
notice-
tree though.
If you notice too, there's termites and stuff eating in it already. I think it's already
Oh,
dying.
yeah.
It's already decaying. And some of the branches are dead already.
Oh,
Like
yeah.
at the top, you see the branch has no leaves on it. Some of the tops, if you step back, you can see it. See those limbs that's dead up there. Those tall limbs.
Yeah. Dang. That'd be a nice tree to cut down because that would be some good firewood.
Yeah, if we cut it down.
That would be a lot of firewood.
And it's right by the house, so I ain't gotta transport it.
Yeah. That would be
So
perfect.
we honestly leave our firewood right here.
Yeah. That's just a big tree though. That's the biggest tree you've cut so
Yeah,
far.
it's pretty big. I might have to cut the limbs down first.
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah, I'd rather cut it before it just falls over.
So this big tree right here. I'm pretty sure that is a sign of hypoxylon canker fungus. So this tree is dying. You can already see holes in it from termites eating into it. And then the tree is starting to decay. And it's decaying in the center of the tree. So pretty much, I mean, this limb is already dead. You see it doesn't have any leaves on those limbs. And then this got like dead wood hanging. And it's got these termites in it. This is, I mean, it's all just falling apart. But the fungus is pretty much eating it up, and then the termites. And so this side is still kind of green, but I don't know if there's any way to save the tree. I think it's too deep. It's too far gone, but thinking about trying to cut it. It's scary because it's the biggest tree I've cut so far. I might have to cut that tree just to cut this one and let it fall. That way. You see that flying in the sky? Something flying. It's like floating.
Oh yeah.
It kind of looked like a drone, like a.
Yeah, it does look like a drone. It's like a bubble.
See, I'm gonna zoom in. I don't know where. Something floating.
That has to be a drone flying drone.
I don't even see it now. There it is. Yeah. It looks kind of like a plane. It looks like a drone. Or a little airplane type drone. I don't know. Something floating up in there. But yeah, I'm trying to think the best way to cut this tree. I don't know which way to try to have it fall. It might be better to have it fall this way. Because this tree is like, they're right up on each other. Now, I don't know if I can probably cut this little limb first. And then there's some limbs in here. It's gonna be crazy. I'm gonna have to cut these limbs off first.
The limbs are huge.
But yeah, they're so big. I mean, the limbs are like a big tree. Yeah. The limb on this tree is bigger than that tree.
Yeah.
So when I cut it, it's gonna swing.
Yeah, it's gonna be scary, honestly.
So I had to figure out how to do that. Might even have to get a ladder. I don't know. But I want to cut it while it's still hot, let the wood dry out. Yeah. But then you got that tall limb. And then the limbs make it kind of tough to tell which way it might fall. Because you got a big old limb leaning one way. But yeah, I kind of was going to leave. I wanted to leave as many of these trees as I could because it's along the edge. But I might have to cut them because there's no way. I don't know. It just sucks. I like this tree. Feel good under the shade though. That's why I'm not trying to get rid of too many trees.
Yeah.
But it's just hard when the trees are in the way where you got to build a fence. Yeah. This is right where the fence line is going to end up being. So I was going to include this tree in the fence line at first, but once I started cutting around it, I didn't notice this tree was like dying.
Yeah, we can't use that as a post. Take the whole fence.
Yeah. Yeah, it's just, I don't want to build a fence next to a dead tree. Yeah. It's already bad enough. We got these trees over here at the limbs, but.
I don't know about those either. Like, is that one affected too?
These just have that moss on it. These are those winged elm. I don't know why winged elm always get this moss.
That's weird.
Just, yeah, I don't get. They make it look like a mossy forest.
Yeah.
Makes it look kind of itchy looking or buggy. I don't know. Winged elm is really kind of an invasive, but I kind of like them when they get tall.
Yeah, when they're tall.
But I thought about cutting this too, honestly, though. These longer winged elms, because in between them there's actually some oak trees. These are oak trees.
Oh wow.
So I was thinking if I cut this wing down, it might help the oak tree grow a little bit. Like once I cut this big oak tree down and cut some of that stuff, these trees will be able to kind of spread out some, and hopefully eventually they'll cover the shade again. How good this tree is.
Yeah.
See, it's blocking the sun.
Yeah.
But once I cut it down, the sun's gonna be beaming right in through here, which is kind of good and kind of bad because it'll allow some light in, but I kind of like this little shaded spot. Like I want to leave this shaded though.
Yeah.
So I don't know how much shade we'll lose because it's some big branches. But if I can leave this oak tree though, it'll have a branch coming out this way, and then hopefully it'll start branching out that way. And let it get pretty big. Get tall. Those wing downs are right up on it. But the wing down was
Completely satisfying.
yeah. A lot of weeds. Yeah. That was one that was, the end got messed up. It would be nice if we could burn all this though. I don't know. I don't really know where. Cause it's a lot of weeds. It'd be nice to cut them. But it would be nice if they would have been cut sooner. But yeah, I don't know. I wonder if there's a way you can set it to cut it kind of higher, to where you don't really cut the grass too much. Just mainly this stuff. Yeah, I don't know. Because I don't think we're going to move the sheep in this area. I don't even think it's worth moving them. Ain't really too much. What I want to do though, the last place I want to move them is into those trees.
What trees?
Over here. And I'll probably cut this open. And we'll just start feeding them leaves. We can just let the ground kind of rest.
Standing in the shade.
Let the ground kind of rest and feed them leaves.
Blue knows what it's at.
It'd be nice if they could eat the leaves,
Yeah.
and get them used to the forest. And then as the weather starts shifting, they'll have all this cover to be in, and I just got to cut a perimeter in there. But it'd be cool to have them here, and then I could connect it to the pen.
Yeah.
If they want to come in the pen.
Yeah.
We could feed them in the pen or something. It'd be cool though. Just gotta figure out how.
I need to see that.
How I want to do it, I don't know. So he's here. No, you wanna?
No, that's good.
All right. Well, he's got his tractor and his brush hog. Blue was alert. Blue was trying to figure out what that was.
He's a friend of Zay's.
Yeah.
It's gonna be nice. No, I kept mine in the shade in the car. Yeah, because mine was still somewhat cool. But yeah, he's here. Let's see. Let's see what he can do. Alright, so we kind of figured out where we're gonna brush hog it. Like really the front area. So over here where they grazed. This front spot. And then we're gonna get the other side brush hogs over there on the other side of the house. And after that, we want to get like a back area, open spot. So 3 open spots, and they're all near the house. We did that purposely because we want to grow either cold season crops or grass, or yeah, I don't know. But it'd be easy to plant things because it'd be close by the house. So it's gonna be nice. I'm excited because I struggle walking around, so it's gonna be nice.
Cut down some of these trees.
You said you're gonna cut some trees?
How about cutting in there so we can put the sheep in?
Oh yeah.
You'd be like, damn, you know, I'm gonna be covered in wood if I do that. Don't look wild. But,
Yeah. Oh, it's super hot today. Oh my goodness. Feels like 100 degrees. It's September. I don't know what day. So hot.
but yeah, I don't know how much you willing to cut, but
Yeah, that's what I was wondering. Cause I'm like, tell him to cut too much, and he's tired. So I'm just like, okay, let me just keep it simple. But yeah, I don't know.
things this area and that area.
Yeah.
These 2 areas. The sheep already cleared that area, so
Yeah.
it's just all that little stemmy stuff. But
The sheep cleared. I mean, all they could eat, honestly.
I feel like we can burn some of this stuff. I think
Yeah.
put a little perimeter around it.
It would be nice burns. Cause all the stems, and I want to get rid of the blackberries. We'll see. It would be nice. Burns are, to me, better for the ground than anything.
Yeah.
They purify it. And it will kill off the bugs too. So that's But yeah, we'll see. I'm interested to see what this looks like.
Yeah.
So he's about to start cutting. Getting the tractor thing ready. Tractor. Sorry guys, I don't know what all the equipment is called. The brush hog. He's about to brush hog at me. I never seen it done in person. Oh, I guess he's going to the other side first. Oh no, he's brush hogging right now. Yeah. Oh wow. That was cool. Seeing how it just cuts the brush like that, that's really cool. Yeah, that's cool that there's pecan trees by the house.
But I don't know about there's some little pecans coming up. I don't know if I should cut them. See it?
Yeah. Yeah. I don't even know how you fix that.
It'd be nice if you could have digging. All those worms. They just took over that little tree.
He's about to cut some trees. What the heck? That was on the tree? That's weird. It's pretty cool to see it brush hog. Like now it looks nice. We can walk around without weeds wrapping around our ankles. That's pretty cool. Can't wait to see what the other side looks like. It's already opened. More. That is really cool. Yeah.
All this stuff I realized is pretty new growth. This might have been just a year's work.
Yeah. It's just a bunch of brush, basically.
Whoever put that goat skull or whatever, it was like a, I don't know what kind of skull it was.
Yeah, I don't know.
Like, I'm gonna leave that tree crop there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna trim up the branches.
Yeah.
Or I could cut that tree and maybe some little pecans, like little pecans grow out.
No, I'd rather you trim around it. That's a nice tree.
Might still be a pecan, and eventually I'll decide which one to cut.
Yeah. But yeah, it's nice opening up.
I really want to get that tree.
Oh wow, yeah, that tree is huge.
That's a pecan tree.
I don't know if y'all can see it. There's kind of a lot of stuff in the way.
Two
It's
big
like right
pecan,
there.
Two big pecan trees back in there.
Yeah. That
So I
one.
really want to get to that area and open it all up.
Yeah. It'd be nice to walk around this area.
Yeah.
I could see us like being able
With that
to.
shade right next to the house.
Yeah. That's
Be-
really
Be
cool.
like our backyard, really. I
Yeah.
thought about honestly putting the water tanks further back in the shade
Yeah.
instead of being right there next to the house. I don't know what would be better.
But I don't know. It might be hard to fill it up.
I think it would be hard to fill it up. But I just don't know about. We had to get a line and go into the house, but it might be better to have it back in the shade area.
Yeah.
You can just fill it up right over here to have the tanks off. Which I thought about having them off to the side over here anyway. And then we have the deck over here. And then we get the water to the animals, to the house, or to the
Yeah.
crops.
It would be a good location.
We dry out a little bit. Yeah, I drew out an area of the pen and stuff, but I need to draw it all together now.
Ew, something dripped on me. Gross.
Now that we got the house laid out, I can draw like a little layout plan.
Yeah. That's pretty cool, yeah.